Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? Enjoying at home and taking good care of your health? Very good. Dear children, open up your grammar books and today we will start with our new lesson and we will learn about sentences. So listen to sentences part 1. Come on, open up your books and we will study together. Let us see what do we have today. Now, what this little boy is saying? Read these groups of words. He is going to show us some group of words and we will read it one by one so that we can understand that what exactly our friend is going to tell us. Okay, let us see and read the sentences. Sentence number A means the group 1 of words. The girl. Now, group of words number 2. The girl eating. Number 1, the girl. Number 2, the girl eating. And the last group of words is the girl is eating an apple. So, dear children, आपने ये पढ़ा, आपको कुछ फील हुआ? See, sentence A and B are incomplete. ये words का group तो है, but इससे हमें कुछ समझ आ रहा है? No. But the third sentence, the third group of word is conveying something. जो ये words convey करना चाहते हैं वो हमें समझ में आ रहा है. We are able to understand this group of words. Here it is written, the girl is eating an apple. Means ये जो girl है, she is eating apple. वो apple खा रही है. So इस sentence से, इस group of words से हमें ये meaning समझ में आया. Right? Let us move further. The first two groups of words means A and B. They do not make complete sense. उनसे हमें पूरी information नहीं मिल रही. Right? But the third sentence means the third group of words is making a complete sense. उससे हमें पूरी बात पता चल रही है that the girl is eating an apple. So, it is a sentence. Definition of sentence is a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. ये एक ऐसा group of words होता है जो एक complete sense बना रहे हों, जो हमें समझाना चाहते हों कि exactly हमें क्या बताया जा रहा है. Are we all clear with this? Very good. Now open up your textbook and you will take out your page number 7 where we will solve this exercise. Come on. Dear children, before we move forward, see over here. One important information is given. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. हर एक sentence हमेशा एक capital letter से शुरू होता है. And all the words are arranged in a systematic order. Okay? Let us take an example. Gives milk cow us. Does this group of words make a complete sense? No. But if we say cow gives us milk. So what has happened here? The words in the sentence are in a correct order, right? That is why we are able to understand that particular sentence, right? So, point number 1, that a sentence must always begin with a capital letter. And the second, the sentence which has the group of words must always be in a systematic order. Now let us see our exercise. So dear children, in this exercise, we will tick the correct answer. Here we will select the sentence which is making a complete sense. See, it is there in your textbook. Number 1, the boy. Next, the boy sitting. Are these two group of words making a complete sense? Let us read the third one and see and understand it. The boy is sitting on a chair. Is it making a complete sense? It is getting related to the picture given over here. Yes. So we will tick here. Good work. Very good. Good work, dear children. Next. Birds. Look at the picture and relate it. Birds. Number 2. Birds are flying in the sky. Look at the picture again. Number 3. Birds are. Now select the complete sentence. इनमें से जो complete आपको लग रहा है, select it. Tell me. Okay, let us select the second one. Good work, dear children. You all are very smart. Last. Tom is eating an ice cream. Look at the picture. Is it relatable? Number 2. Is eating an. Does this make sense? Number 3. Tom is. Now, let us see if we are correct or not. Let us select A. Good work. Good work, dear children. So, you all are very smart and you have quickly learned the concept, right? Score? Wow, 3 on 3. Very good. So, now you will be doing this exercise in your textbook itself. And if you have any doubt, I am here to solve your doubts. We will meet in the next class where we will understand more about our topic sentences. So, let's meet next time. Bye dear children. God bless you.